Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw its beak with a long V shape right there, and at the upper point I'm gonna draw an upside down V shape right there, and above that I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across, and from the ending point at the side I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the side of its head on both the left and right. Turn it upwards, semicircle turn at that corner, curved line across for the top of its head, semicircle turn back down on the right side. In the middle point above, I'm gonna draw a V shape with a circular point in the middle right there and turn it back up. Now at the side of its beak, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards at this middle point, turn it downwards at this outer corner, semicircle turn at that corner and turn it inwards at this lower point, and diagonal curved line back inwards to the lower point in the middle. Semicircle turn at this middle point, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side here as well. At the middle point of that curved line, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the middle point at this inner corner, semicircle turn at the middle point right there, and mirror the same shape again on the left side. Now on the left side of that shape, I'm gonna draw a circular line outwards, turn it upwards, and turn it back inwards at this upper point. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the circular line at this inner corner and turn it inwards diagonally at this lower point up to the beak. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a circular shape of that circle. I'm gonna draw across a curved line slightly above the middle point right there. Now inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw another smaller circle for his pupil right there, and along the side of that circle I'm gonna draw some lines across to the outer circular line like that. And I'm gonna copy the same eye shape on the right side as well. Now for its ear, I'm gonna take this upper corner on the left side and draw a diagonal line upwards and out, and another similar line at this inner corner on the right, an upside down V shape at the upper tip right there, and inside of the ear I'm gonna draw a similar shape right there, and on the left side of that I'm gonna draw another upside down V shape, extend it down at this outer corner, diagonal turn back towards the eye. At the lower corner of the eye on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, sharp turn back inwards diagonally towards the eye right there, and at the side of that on the right, a curved line across and diagonal turn to the side of its beak. And I'm gonna copy that shape and the ear on the right side as well. Now below its head at the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out and down on the left side right there, a curved line downwards at the side, turn it inwards diagonally and downwards at the middle point right there, and a curved line across at the middle point. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side here as well. And at the side of the head on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line right there. Turn it to the left, turn it back up, sideways to the right, diagonal line upwards, and diagonal curve line back to the shoulder. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at that corner and a line down at this corner. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a line across to the sleeve right there. Below that shape, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line to the middle point and down, semicircle turn across, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side here. Now below its beak, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line at the side here across and mirror that same curved line on the right side. Below that, a semicircle line across right there, and between that and the circular line above, I'm going to draw at the side here a rectangular shape, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. And at the edge of this circular line at this upper point, I'm going to draw a line downwards, semicircle turn to the side. Mirror that same line on the right side right there. A small circle at this middle point, and below that, a bigger circular shape. Now at the side here, I'm going to draw a small square and copy that same shape on the right side. In the middle point below, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, and at the side on the left and on the right. Now for the second half of his body, at the side I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line out and down, turn it downwards diagonally and inwards towards his legs, and at the base of its leg, I'm gonna draw a tilted oval shape right there. Continue the curved line across at this lower point, and I'm gonna mirror the same semi-oval shape on the right side right there. Mirror the same line at the side on the right side right there. And I'm gonna trace the same diagonal curve line at the side at this lower point, and at this inner corner I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape and two rectangular shape at this lower point right there. And below that, I'm gonna take this point at the side of that curve line and draw a diagonal curve line across to the middle point, semicircle line across at this middle point, and mirror the same patterns on the right side. And below that, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a line across, and at the sides, a line downwards on both the left and right, and semicircle line across at this lower point. And at this top point, inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a V shape. Now for its leg, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape downwards at that corner, and I'm gonna fill in the space at the side with black color. Now for its feet and claw, I'm gonna draw at the sides downwards, turn it sideways with the curved line, and turn it upwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right there, and at that corner I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing at this middle point. In between those triangular shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, slightly arching right there. And for the claw at the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left, sharp turn back up with a curved line and diagonal turn to the base. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side right there. And for the middle point, I'm gonna draw a line down on both ending points and a V shape below that. An upside down V shape at this middle point. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the foot on the right side. Now for the shoulder, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards at this upper point, turn it downwards, and a circular curved line across, downwards, diagonal turn inwards at this lower point of the sleeve. And inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a circular line at this corner right here, and another one inside of that. At the side of that shape on the right, I'm gonna draw another circular shape right there. And at the side of that on the right, at this top point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line out and slightly upwards. Another similar line at this lower point, and another one. At the ending point of the top two diagonal curved line, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at that corner right there, and another one inside of that. For the third line below, I'm gonna extend it with a circular line to the side of that circle. Now I'm gonna copy the same diagonal curved line and turn it slightly upwards at the right side of that circle and at the side of this third one upwards, and above that a line across. And on the left side, I'm going to draw a V shape right there, extend it upwards right there, and for the outer corner, a line upwards. Above that, I'm going to draw another line across, a diagonal line to the left, sharp turn to the right with a curved line diagonally up, and turn it back downwards to the right there, and a line across at this lower point. On the right side of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line across, sharp turn back inwards at this lower point, semicircular turn across, turn it back out, turn it diagonally down, and across back to the left. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw its wing feather with a curved line outwards, sharp turn diagonally downwards, and turn it inwards with a curved line back to the wing. Copy that same shape at this lower point right there. And for this feather, I'm gonna draw another smaller feather at this middle point below with a diagonal line downwards, semicircular turn across back towards the wing. Copy that same set of shape 3 more times at this lower point. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a similar shape again right there, and copy that same shape again, and I'm gonna copy the whole wing shape on the left side. Now for its tail, I'm gonna draw below the feet at this lower point a V shape, and from the ending point at the side, a line upwards towards the lower point of his body on both the left and right. And I'm gonna copy that same shape diagonally on the left side right there, and smaller, and another one at this corner, and a line across in between the feather at the side with the middle. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.